London Fashion Week. I'm gonna go to the Bora Askew fashion show, but in the meantime, guys, you know what time it is. I'm gonna ask people, what are they wearing? So guys, follow me. Love it. The green and the red. Thank you.
I'm gonna stand out today.
Yeah, you standing out, girlfriend. It's so dope.
Thank you.
You know what? I would never ever think to wear a colour. Where's the jumper by?
Primark.
Listen, high five because I love my Primark. And then where's your trousers, right?
Zara.
Yeah, I love what you're wearing.
Thank you so much.
Right, let's move on. We've got the Burberry man over here. Hey Burberry.
Hello.
Oh no, what's your name? Oh, you. I want to film you. Now tell me, is this a Burberry thing today?
Yes.
Burberry everything. You look cool, you look dope.
Thank you. Nice earring.
Oh, thank you.
How are you?
I'm alright. I'm Denise. Stylist.
Photographer, so you know, maybe something.
Network baby.
Instagram.
Oh my god, my phone ain't got my phone, you know. Can I give you?
Yeah, that's so flat and so like it always looks.
See, this is how I network, guys. You just speak to people randomly and you find out what they do. Right.
And then you go to North.
I didn't come to Fashion Week to just stand up there and just, you know, pretty.
I like it. I don't like it.
Can you message me? Because I want to start doing some test shoots.
Yes.
Not even test shoots, editorials and whatever. Hello, cutie. I like my man then with the beard though. I'm not going to lie. I'm joking. It's a beard thing. It's a beard
thing.
So what do you do?
I take pictures, I do deliveries, I do music.
I love this.
Whatever insight you on the arts.
I love this. So tell me what you're wearing. Where's this puffer jacket by?
Sandra.
Yeah, and then I'm loving this. I love this.
Alexandra McQueen.
Dope. Trainers.
Gap t-shirt. You don't have to buy designer t-shirts. Jun J, designer trousers. Days by night.
That's bad. You look good. Denise Brown, and I had to stop you because I'm going to a show now.
Yeah.
So can you tell me what you're wearing?
So I'm wearing a jacket by Stylist and a suit from the 70s, courtesy of a lady called Anne Cowell. This is vintage. Shoes are from Topshop and the blouse is from a London designer called Lisa. I'm wearing a vintage 80s suit and shoes from Other Stories and this little fluffy thing is from Olivia Dior.
You look.
And this is my shoe.
So where you guys off to now?
We're going to Slovak, the Freemasons.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh man, you killed it. I love it. You know how to tell me what you're wearing. You look beautiful. This dress.
I'm basically wearing this Barack dress. We are going to the show now.
Wow.
And this is Daphne Maycourt.
I love the way you bust the trainers with that. That is on point. You look wicked. Oh my god. And you as well, girlfriend. Wow, hello. Tell me what you're wearing. What's your jacket? Where's your jacket? Oh, so you look wearing a Bora style because you represented the brand. I ain't got a Bora. I'm going to the show as well. Oh god. Tell me about your skirt.
My skirt is from Georgia.
Wicked. And then trainers. Gucci. You look wicked. Do you know what I love about your style? I love that you put the trainers with the dress and the skirt and it looks good. What are you wearing?
What am I wearing? Oh Christ, I got this from ASOS. These are charity shop pearls. This is skinny dip top shop.
I love this
Skinny dip, how cute. I know, I had some pearl earrings, but I lost them.
You look so beautiful.
Thank
you. Are you a photographer or?
I'm going into a show, but yeah, I'm a photographer as well.
Okay,
just kind of
wicked. You look beautiful. Thank you so much. Let's move on. We got to do this so quick today because the show's happening. Hey, excuse me, can I quickly ask you a question?
Yeah,
you wear it, you look banging.
Yeah. Alright, so basically I've got really budget, I've got this Amazon loafers on right now,
Love it.
Keeping it cheap. I just got some random socks with the floral pattern on it. These are just some top man trousers. Trying to keep it really cheap, keep it sustainable. At the end of the day, I can't blow my whole budget. The turban's all the way from India because you gotta get that. You gotta get that stuff imported.
This is my
Okay.
Yeah, you look crisp. I love the way
And this is just a normal plain trench jacket. The scarf is a Calvin Klein one. Trying to keep it very,
Listen, you look beautiful anyway.
Thank you very much.
Now, can you tell me?
no.
No, you look good.
Okay,
What are you wearing?
some North Face Van Clubs.
So what's they from?
North Face Van Clubs.
Oh, okay, North Face.
Yep, and then I'm wearing Urban Outfitters wide leg pants, and then so this is a top shop, there's
You look
shirt.
crisp, man. What do you do? Are you a photographer? Because
Yeah,
that camera is massive.
I'm
That's a root.
photographer stylist.
Wicked. You look crisp. Crisp, man, isn't it? Can you take a picture of me like doing this?
Yeah, let's do it.
Hey, look at me gas. Let's move on. You look beautiful.
I'm wearing just recycled clothes from mine in his wardrobe.
Oh, so it's all
My
recycled.
new Nikes.
Oh, okay, so this is all vintage recycled clothes. You look good. I love it.
Thank
Oh,
you.
I need to get him. Come. You lovely.
Hiya.
Yes, you look good. I love
Thank
your
you.
hair.
Thank you so much.
Tell me, what are you wearing?
So honestly, my outfit is honestly the most bargain outfit today. So this is a charity shop shirt I found.
Okay, that's cool.
Primark turtleneck.
Yes.
Cheap jeans and ASOS shoes that cost me like £20.
Listen, it
Bargain,
doesn't matter
bargain.
where you get it from, it's how you
Honestly.
drop it. And you're dropping
Yeah.
it so good.
you so
look
much.
wicked. Thank you. Right guys, I'm going to wrap up. I hope you had a great time. You saw how I wrote at London Fashion Week. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, see you soon. Bye!